So let's look at our last example. Example 11. A dermatologist wishes to estimate the proportion of young adults who apply sunscreen regularly before going out in the sun in the summer. Find the minimum sample size required to estimate the proportion to within 3 percentage points at 90% confidence. All right, so let's notice that we're using a proportion here. So we want to use our formula for proportion as we did in example 10. And our E is 3 percentage points or 0.03 percentage points as a decimal, 90% confidence. All right, we don't have any estimate of P, so we're going to use 0.5. Let's go to our formula and let's do this. All right, so we'll have N equals 90%. If we've memorized 90% confidence for Z is 1.645, but if you've not memorized it, we'll just enter norm.s.inv. Okay, 95%, or I'm sorry, 90%, we subtract 1 minus 0.9 and we get 0.10. Divide by 2, that's 0.05 that we're going to put into here. And notice that gives us negative 1.645. All right, so using that as our Z, oops, we're going to have 1.645 squared. We did not know anything about our proportion, so we'll use 0.5 and then 1 minus 0.5. And then divided by, we wanted it within 3 percentage points. So our E is 0.03 squared. All right, and let's put that into our calculator. That gives 751.6736111. And again, as before, we always round up. So 752 are needed in this sample size.